This is a brand new 2012 Porsche Cayenne. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.6-liter V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include the Premium Package, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a heated multi-function steering wheel, heated seats, a Bose stereo system, XM satellite radio, and xenon headlights. The following features are also included: the memory package, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, front fog lights, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.